Hi, everyone. My name is Ashley Van Gilder, and I am here doing my presentation over Module 7 for AEP 855. So in this assignment, we were first asked to give a brief description of the human resource frame of leadership according to Bowman and Deal. Basically, what I got from that is that it takes leadership in a family type of environment. It includes the organization itself along with the people that are within it and make it a family. Everyone has individual needs and skills and relationships, and all of those are recognized. It's also recognized that some people get along better with others than they do with other people, and then it focuses on skills, attitudes, teamwork, and communication. Its goal, it has 4 goals that align with the organization and human goals. It's an open process when it comes to decision making. People gather in one's place to participate in their strategic planning. The leader is there to help those that are in the organization. The leader is also there to help start conversations amongst the people within the organization. And then communication is open and free flowing, and it gives information as well as meets needs and the feelings of those involved, and everyone is involved in the communication. Um, there are a few assumptions that come with the human resource framework. The organization is there to serve the human needs. The humans are not there to serve the organization. So the people come first. That is the key that I bring out of this. You need each other as well. One of the assumptions is that you need each other. The organization needs the people, and the people need the organization. And then also, if the relationship between the organization and the people within it is poor, then either one or both of them will suffer. And if they are great, if it's a good fit for everyone involved, then it will lead to success. We were also asked to describe and prioritize some different groups of people under our leadership. This was actually kind of challenging for me. I took a different approach. According to this, it said under my leadership, if I'm the principal and leader at the top of the pyramid. But in my opinion, the principal should almost be at the bottom of the leadership hierarchical pyramid. The principal should, yes, be leading everybody, but everyone else's needs need to come before the principal's needs. At the top of my period, the highest group, if I was to do a triangle, would be the students are at the very top. Their needs and everything that the organization is working towards need to be to help the students. The students need to have their needs met. A lot of times it's even like non-academic needs that they need met. But either way, everybody should be building up the students from the bottom up. That's why I put the principal at the bottom. The principal is there to build everybody up to help them reach their highest point. Directly below the students, I would put those that are in constant contact with the students through most of their day. That would include parents, teachers, and paraprofessionals. They are the most influential towards the success of our students and helping lead them to be the best that they can be. Underneath the parent, teachers, and paras, I have the custodians, cooks, and maintenance staff, as well as the office staff. They come in contact with our students quite often, but it may not be as influential of a relationship. I do know that with the Kansas KISA model, we are moving towards having everyone having a relationship with different students throughout the building. I think that's a great idea, but oftentimes like those relationships are skipped when it comes to custodians, cooks, maintenance staff, and office staff. They are important. Don't get me wrong. You should never underestimate how important these people are in the success of a school. And then directly below that level, right above the teacher or right above the principal, would be the alumni and the community. They are influential towards the students, but they aren't necessarily a direct relationship with the students. The they help and they shape kind of why we do things and what have been done, but they don't necessarily lead everything towards our end goal. They help provide resources. They may also help with real life experiences, but they don't necessarily, they're not like directly influencing the students at the top of the pyramid. I like I said, the principal is at the bottom because that person should be building everybody up so that way they can be the best that they can be. They're helping everybody. Um, so that would be what my hierarchy of leadership would be. Thank you.